The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, along with the Galaxy A35 5G, is set to be released soon, marking Samsung's latest entry into the mid-range smartphone market. Both devices have been registered with various certification bodies and have met the local content requirements, indicating an imminent launch. These new models from Samsung are expected to offer a combination of modern design, robust specifications, and competitive pricing. The Galaxy A55 5G, in particular, is noted for its sturdy and modern design, featuring an elegant flat back, classic frame, and rounded corners that are comfortable to hold. Additionally, both models are equipped with IP67 ratings for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability alongside their aesthetic appeal. The Galaxy A55 5G is anticipated to stand out with its Super AMOLED display, offering a bright, clear, and colorful visual experience. It is also expected to come with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, providing smoother motion for an enhanced viewing experience. While specific details on the full specifications, pricing, and exact launch dates in various markets are still pending, the anticipation builds for what these new additions to the Galaxy A series will bring to the table. Samsung's focus on the mid-range market with the Galaxy A55 5G and A35 5G demonstrates the company's commitment to offering high-quality, feature-rich smartphones at more accessible price points.